Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create LUTs. Yes, that's right. Create LUTs using Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. And without further ado, let's begin. Now, I guess before we actually begin, I should explain a little bit about what LUTs are. LUTs stand for lookup table. So essentially, and this is a bare minimum explanation, different color grading options and stuff, or presets, if you will. Think of them as filters or color presets that you can apply to your stuff. And, lots of just them saved so you can apply them further on down the line. Now, let's create a LUT. Okay, so here I have an image. I've been, playing around on Slime Rancher 2 quite a bit. I'll put a card top right hand corner to my Let's Play series I do on my other channel for Slime Rancher 2. It's actually a fun game, but enough about that. So, first of all, we will do exactly what you think. We'll create a few layers and whatnot. Let's start with this. Okay. Just this right here. Maybe we want to change the brightness. Make it more colorful. Make it a more colorful scenery. Not too colorful, just a little colorful. And then let's say we want to apply some brightness and contrast. We want to get that contrastiness. We don't want it too much, but we don't want it too little. Now, I'm doing this on a game image so I can get an idea of how it would look, but most people would probably be doing this on a screenshot from their video, which, I do actually have a video on how you would go about doing the screenshot thing like that. But let's say this. This is very good. This is very atmospheric looking, in my humble opinion. We got the brightness down a little bit. We have, the color things. There we go. I mean, do we want to apply anything else? I mean, not really. I mean, I guess we could play around with the levels just a little bit. Really doesn't matter too much with this particular image. But yeah, now we are done. Okay. So, you see how this says background here. Usually, if this is the only image here that says background, it would be perfectly fine the way it was. But let's say your image doesn't say background. Let's say it says layer 0 or something like that. Presumably layer 0 or layer 1 or whatever. You could have moved it to the bottom. Well, you would simply go to layers. Yeah, you go to layers, go to new, go to background from layer. Okay, that's very important. You will need it to be background from layer. And then after that, you go to file, then you would go to export, and then you go to color lookup table. Okay. Then you know, pick whatever you want. Now you can select all of these if you want. It's really no big deal. But, you know, we're going to select them all and then, you know, what grid points do you want? That doesn't really matter that much either, depending on certain things. So what we're going to do it, then hit OK. We actually have an area where we save our LUTs. So, you know, I'll call it thingy. .lut for the purpose of this, and then it will save it as all of those formats that we saved it as, but the .cube is the most important for the purpose of this. So let's go ahead and hit save, and then if we open our folder here, go to my LUT where we saved it, you will see that all the formats we saved it as. Now we are going to import our LUT into Photoshop. So, simply what we are going to do here is go to color lookup, okay? And then after we go to color lookup, we will actually click down here to device link so we can actually load our particular LUT. We will find our LUT, and then there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. That LUT has everything that we saved there. Now, it's worth noting that I did use the ICC because of the fact that the way I was loading it, but you can actually use this and load it from here. You just have to put in this folder first, which is a little bit of a different process. If you guys want to know more into detail about that, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to show you guys. But yeah, that is the whole LUT process in Photoshop. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.